Hey, let me show you how to make your press-on nails last 3 to 4 weeks easily. I promise. All right, so here's a list of the items that you're going to need. You need a spray bottle with water. You need pure acetone, not nail polish remover. It has to be acetone, okay? Get you one cotton round. Then you want to get your nails of choice. My favorite is Kiss Classy French Tip Medium Almond. Now this right here is so necessary. Nothing else will do. You have to get the Beauty Secrets Drip and Clog Proof Nail Glue. You can get it off Amazon for around $13, but I promise you it's worth it. Then you want to get you a cuticle cutter. Get you a good nail file. Not the little thin one, but the one that's got a little thickness to it. Get you a napkin. And you're also going to need an oil of your choice, okay? I prefer tea tree oil. So part one, you want to wash your hands. Then you want to spray your nails with water to keep being able to keep your cuticles soft, okay? Cutting dry cuticles will cause you to bleed. Make sure you clean your cuticles thoroughly. This step is very important. This is going to be the part that's going to take the longest. It might take you a good 30 minutes or so. Take your time. Be gentle. Keep reapplying water to your cuticles, okay? Make sure they look good. After you've done cleaning your cuticles nice and good, you're going to take your nail file and you're going to create a rough area where the press-on nail is going to adhere to. Just gently rough it up. Not too much, just a little back and forth. That's it. After you've done that, you're going to apply the oil of your choice to your cuticles and massage it in just a little bit. Just enough to kind of, moisten your cuticles back up just a little. Tea tree oil is going to be your best option. If you don't have it, use what you got. Part four, you're going to take that acetone and you're going to apply it to a cotton round and thoroughly wipe each nail, removing all moisture and oil, which will actually help dehydrate your nail. That's what you're going to need, okay? Part five, pick out the nails for each finger. Right before you apply each nail, rub your nail with the acetone cotton round every single time, okay? Apply a very thin layer of glue to your nail, making sure it's fully covered from edge to edge. One thin layer, that's all you need, okay? Take that press on and line it up to the cuticle, then press and hold firmly from the top and the bottom and hold for a solid 30 seconds. This step is very important. You're going to feel like, oh, well, it's good after about 10 seconds. No, hold it for 30 seconds. Actually take your finger that's on top of the nail and just kind of make sure you're kind of rocking the pressure from edge to edge to make sure you're clearing out any air bubbles, making sure the nail is completely connecting to your natural nail, okay? There are some people that like to put glue on the fake nail and then put glue on their natural nail. And some people I've heard even put a little glue on their nail, their natural nail, let it dry, and then add another layer. I've tried it all. All of that's not necessary. Literally, one little bead of glue, take the nozzle of the glue and just spread it evenly across your nail. And I'm telling you, it's going to last the same amount of time. So it's really no need for all that extra steps, okay? So yeah, just hold. If you do happen to get a little glue on the actual nails from transfer from your fingertips or so, just gently take your nail file and file it off gently. Okay, that'll help get that off, all right? And sometimes it's a little bit of acetone, but you have to be right on that patch where the glue is at, okay? So yeah, take your time, firm hold, 30 seconds, be patient, okay? And once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and file and shape the nails to your liking, smoothing out that top edge. Now see, this is where that thick nail file comes in handy, so that way you can really shape them up. I do like that almond shape already that comes with my favorite nails that you can't get those at Walmart. They're only like $5, okay? But I like to sharpen them up just a little bit more, okay? You do whatever you like. Once you're done with this step, you're going to wash your hands, get all that debris off of your hands, apply some more oil to your cuticles, and then lotion up your hands. And you're good for 3 to 4 weeks, I promise. So there you have it. It's super simple. It's so affordable. I promise you'll be able to do it, okay? Look at that. It looks so beautiful, honey. You can get a boyfriend now, okay? I'm just joking. Look, all the love to my Vietnamese nail artists that stay asking about a boyfriend.